everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I did a makeup tutorial and some of you guys have been asking for my makeup routine as well, so today I thought I'd share with you my go-to makeup look. As mentioned in my recent Korean makeup haul, I have been enjoying simpler makeup looks inspired by Korean actresses, so today I will show you how I achieved that. Beginning with foundation, I'm using the Moonshot Correct Fit foundation in 301 and I'm going to blend that in with a beauty blender. I'll do a separate video on foundations for acne-prone skin soon, but I love this foundation. I think it has good coverage, so you don't need a thick layer to cover up acne marks, and surprisingly the shade wasn't too light for my skin tone. Since it has good coverage, I'll just apply another thin layer of foundation over the areas that needed more coverage instead of using a concealer. With that, I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in light brown. I'm only going to draw the outer portion of my brows for a softer and more natural look. To match the shade of my brows with my hair, I'm using the 3CE Brow Cara in light brown. Onto eyeshadows, I'm using my current favorite and go-to eyeshadow palette, the Revue de Paris eyeshadow palette from Moonshot. First, I'm picking up this nude shade with a fluffy brush and applying it onto the outer corners of my eyes and also bringing it down to my lower lash line. The main shade of this eye look will be a brownish pink shade, so I'll be picking up these two shades with a brush that is totally not meant for eyeshadows. I don't know where my eyeshadow brushes are, but anyway, I will be applying this shade on my lids and also bringing it down to my lower lash line. If there are any harsh edges, I'll just go in with a fluffy brush to blend the shades together. To darken the look, I'm picking up the dark brown shade with a flat brush to apply on the outer corners, blending outwards. Another point about this eye look is that you want to blend the shade straight outwards to elongate the eye shade. Once again, blend out any harsh edges with a fluffy brush. To complete the look, I like to add some glitter shades on the bottom lash line, but I still want it to look sort of natural, and so I'm going to blend it all out with a fluffy brush again. To line my upper lash line for a fuller look, I'm using the same Estee Lauder pencil that I have been using for the longest time ever. This is still my favorite pencil to use and it lasts forever. For eyeliner, I'm using my favorite brush liner from Etude House in brown to create a natural looking wing. Next, you want to ensure that your lashes are curled properly before applying mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara here, and with that, the eye portion is completed. Next, I'm moving on to contour, and I'm going to contour with the Too Cool for School shading powder. This is my new favorite contour powder, and to contour my facial features, I will be using just a middle shade. For blush, I'm going in with the middle shade from the VT and BTS Cheek palette. Finally, for lips, I'm using my current go-to lipstick, and it is the Laneige Stained Glass Stick in number 7. Last but not least, I will top it off with the Glassing Water Gloss in Sanho Crush for plump and fuller looking lips. Recently, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I also love adding more beauty marks on my face, especially beside my eye and also on the tip of my nose like Taeyong, so that is what I will be doing with a brown brush liner. And we're done! This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Korean inspired makeup tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you did, because it will mean a lot to me, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!